Good day, sir. I am Hemelga Ralph Joven, and this is my project for the midterm. So, number one question will be, if the variation and deviation are given, how do you determine the compass error? So, to determine the compass error, you simply have to add the variation, for example, 5 degrees east, and deviation of 3 degrees east. So, if you add that to, you will have the answer. The compass error is equal to 8 degrees east. So, number two, if the compass error and variation are given, how do you determine deviation? So, my answer will be, my answer to this question is you need to subtract the compass error to the variation. So, let's say compass error is equivalent to 8 degrees east and the variation will be 3 degrees east. So, subtract 8 to 3 and the answer will be deviation is equal to 5 degrees east. So, number 3, if the true bearing and compass bearing are given, how to determine compass error? So, my answer will be to subtract the true bearing and the compass bearing. So, for example, we have 175 degrees minus 160 degrees. So your compass error will be 15 degrees east. And why east? Because compass best error is west and compass less error is east. So in number 4, if the compass scores deviation and variation 3, you have 3 of it that are given, how to determine the true course? So in this scenario, in this question, you will have to use this letter in sequence. The C, D, M, V, and T. So in this situation, you already have the C, D, and V. So in order to get the true course, you must first get the M. So for example, the C, which is 0.87 or 0.87 degrees, and add it to the deviation of 3 degrees east, and you will get the M of 90 degrees. So 87 plus 3 is equal to 90, and 90 will be the M. So now you have 4, and after that you just have to add again the M that is equivalent to 90 degrees and the given of variation, for example 90. So 90 plus 90, and the true course will be 180 true. That's it. And number 5, if the true course and variation and deviation are given, so you have 3 again, how to determine the compass course? So in this scenario, the letters in question 4 should be reversed. So you will have the T, V, M, D, C. So you already have the T and V and D. So you need to get the M and the C. So to solve the M, first subtract the T, the first one, for example 180 degrees, to the variation, the next one, TV. Subtract the 2. So 180 and variation will be, let's say for example 5 degrees east. So subtract 180 to 5 and you will get the M of 180 minus 5, 175 degrees. So lastly, to get the compass course, you will need to add the 175 degrees, the M, to the D. So 175 degrees and the D will be equivalent to 25. So 175 degrees minus 25 degrees west, let's say west, and the answer will be 200 degrees. So 175 plus 25 will be 200. Number 6, explain how to update variation in compass rose. So to update the compass rose, you will need a formula, which is the variation of 5 degrees and 45 west, 2019, 6 degrees east. So the solution will be 2019 to 2022, that will be 3 years. So 3 years times the 6 degrees east, which is what I said back there. So 3 times 6, you will have 18 degrees, and copy the east from the 6 degrees east. And also, again, for the variation 2, so from the top, we have 18 degrees east, right? So we have to subtract 5 degrees and 46 west, which is what just I said in the top, minus the 3 years times 6 degrees east, which is 18 degrees east. So 46 minus 18. So the updated variation in compass rose will be 5 degrees and 28 degrees west. So that's all, sir, and thank you.